Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to write a perfect MidJourney prompts for better AI art. Let's get started. First, you need to start with a clear subject. Every good MidJourney prompt starts with a clear subject or scene. Think about what you actually want to see. Like for this example, a cyberpunk city at night or elegant warrior princess standing on a moonlight forest. And here you must be specific as possible. And then also you can add a descriptive adjectives, like you can enhance your subject with visual details and mood descriptors. And these words guide the mid journey and look and feel your image, like this example here. The words like vibrant, dreamy, glowing, ancient, mystical, and more can dramatically change your final result. And then here also you can define the art style or medium. You can also guide the AI on what kind of AI art you're aiming for. Like for example, a digital art, an anime style or oil painting, watercolor illustration, and more. This is the example prompt. Also, you can use a parameters for extra control. Like the Midjourney lets you fine-tune images using the prompt parameters, like the as parameters for aspect ratio, for the version of Midjourney engine, for the quality, and more. Then you can tweak, test, and repeat because there's no AI prompt that is perfect on the first try. Once your image generates, you can adjust the prompt by adding removal adjectives, changing art style, trying different aspect ratio, and then testing the settings. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.